In a little town nestled between towering mountains and lush forests, there stood a magnificent old sycamore tree. Revered by locals for its age and grandeur, it was said to possess the rare ability to speak with those who approached it with an open heart. One sunny afternoon, a group of adventurous children gathered near the tree's massive roots, drawn by tales of its magical abilities. As they settled in the shade, they heard a gentle, "Welcome, young ones." The voice whispered, "I am old Sycamore, keeper of the forest's secrets." The children gasped in amazement, wide-eyed and curious. Tommy, the youngest of the group, bravely asked, "Can you teach?" Old Sycamore let out a soft chuckle. "Indeed I can," it replied. "Begin by observing the world around you. Notice how the sunlight filters through my leaves, how the breeze carries the scents of..." The children eagerly took in their surroundings, noting things they hadn't paid attention to before. The air was crisp and filled with earthy scents, and the soft buzzing of bees blended harmoniously with the chirping birds. "Every living thing is connected," old Sycamore continued. Ella, a curious girl with a penchant for science, asked, "And how do we fit into this?" "Humans, too, are part of this delicate balance," said old Sycamore. "By respecting and caring for nature, you ensure that its wonders continue to thrive. Plant seeds, clean streams, and cherish every living creature." The children vowed to protect their forest home. They spent their days exploring, learning about the plants and animals, and nurturing the environment. Old Sycamore walked through the seasons. The children grew, becoming vigilant guardians of nature, spreading their knowledge to others, just as old Sycamore had done for them. The tree stood